Welcome to our video on bees. These little flying wonders have been around for millions of years and they're essential to our ecosystem. They pollinate our flowers, fruits, and vegetables and they make delicious honey. But there's a lot more to these buzzing creatures than meets the eye. Today, we're going to share with you 10 secrets about bees that you probably didn't know. Secret number 1. Bees have a unique dance language. When a bee finds a good source of nectar, it comes back to the hive and does a little dance to tell the other bees where to find it. The dance includes different turns and wiggles that indicate the direction and distance of the nectar. Pretty cool, right? Secret number 2. Not all bees collect nectar. Some bees, like the bumblebee, collect pollen instead. They have special hairs on their bodies that help them collect and transport the pollen. And speaking of pollen, did you know that bees are responsible for pollinating over a third of the world's crops? Without bees, we wouldn't have many of the fruits and vegetables we love. Secret number 3. Bees have a queen, but she's not the boss. The queen bee's main job is to lay eggs, but she doesn't make decisions for the colony. That's the job of the worker bees. They're the ones who keep the hive clean, collect nectar and pollen, and take care of the young bees. Secret number 4. When the bee colony gets too big, they'll swarm. That's when a group of bees leave their old hive and form a new colony. It's a natural way for the bees to reproduce and it's actually quite a sight to see. Just make sure to stay away from the swarm, as the bees can get a little grumpy when they're looking for a new home. Secret number 5. Bees can fly in slow motion. Well, kind of. When a bee is collecting nectar, it can slow down its wing beats to make sure it doesn't damage the delicate flowers. It's like they're doing a little dance with the flowers. And speaking of dancing, did you know that bees can also communicate through chemicals? They release pheromones to tell other bees what to do and when to do it. Secret number 6. The queen bee can lay up to 2,000 eggs in one day. That's a lot of baby bees. And if you're wondering how the worker bees know which eggs to care for, it's because the queen bee has a special scent that she leaves on the eggs she lays. The worker bees can smell the scent and know which eggs to take care of. Secret number 7. Bees make honey to feed their young and to survive during the winter. But did you know that bees also make different types of honey depending on what flowers they're collecting nectar from? For example, honey made from clover flowers is light and sweet, while honey made from orange blossom flowers is more fragrant and has a stronger taste. Secret number 8. Bees can die from stress. Just like us, bees can get stressed out from things like poor weather, pesticides, and disease. And when bees are stressed, they're more likely to get sick and die. That's why it's important to take care of our bees and their habitats. Secret number 9. Bees are less aggressive when they're smoky. When beekeepers need to inspect the hives or harvest honey, they use a smoker to calm the bees. The smoke masks the alarm pheromones that the bees release when they're disturbed, making them less likely to sting. And finally, secret number 10. Bees are a key indicator of the health of our environment. When bees are doing well, it means that the environment is healthy and diverse. But when bees are struggling, it's a sign that something is wrong. So let's all do our part to protect our bees and their habitats. They're not just important for our food supply, but for the entire ecosystem. Thanks for watching and we hope you learned something new about these amazing insects. Remember, without bees, we wouldn't have many of the delicious fruits and vegetables we love and we wouldn't be able to survive. So let's all do our part to protect our buzzing friends.